Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm one of the co-owners here at the Satin Crystals Boutique. Today I'm going to show you our crystal healing facial set. So this facial set includes one rose quartz roller, one jade roller, and one jade scraper. All three of these stones are great for stimulating the energies and soothing the skin. Now, there's a lot of information that you can find online about exactly how to use rollers and scrapers, but I always suggest that you experiment and see what works best for you. In crystal healing, you'll find that rose quartz has a very loving energy. It is infused in a lot of beauty products like lotions or oils or in aromatherapy practices. Jade is known as the stone of eternal youth, so you can see why it's popular in facial uses. The jade scraper is a thin piece of jade that has been rounded on the edges, and it has a more active pressure to scrape away all the tension in your face. So the large areas you can use on the large areas of your face, and then you go in and focused with the smaller area of the scraper. The rollers have a more gentle energy, so a more gentle pressure, and they also have a large area they can use on your forehead or your cheeks, a small area which you can concentrate under the eyes or around the nose. And it has a very cold, soothing energy. Some people even place it in the fridge or freezer to enhance this refreshing energy. Now again, you want to experiment and see what works best for you. If you like to use two rollers at once, if you want to just use the scraper one week, a roller the next week, if you want to do it every day, you'll find exactly what you like to do with this set. And another great thing is both of these stones are connected with the heart chakra. So they're connected with self-love. So it's great to focus for love of self, energetically and physically. And these tools are also smaller, more delicate tools, so they're great for the face and neck. If you want something more heavy duty, we also have massage stones that are specifically for the body. So thank you for watching today. Come visit us at the Satin Crystals Boutique anytime.